checking the pattern today. Pattern today. Subtracting exactly the same way. Exactly the same way. That's the first difference. Let's conquer the fear. Conquer the fear. Moving term to term, the jump is always pure. The jump is always pure. If they give you the last term, don't be insecure, but listen to me closely. Don't fall in the trap. Don't fall in the trap. The last term is not in, put that on the map. Put it on the map. The last term is T and Faka Paka T and C. T and is the key. Substitute and solve for N. Find the real degree. Find the real degree. Now let's calculate the sum, bringing it all together. Bringing it all together. Got the first and the last, make it light as a feather. Light as a feather. Take the first plus the last, divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. Then multiply by n, that's the shortcut for you. S and n, fraction 2L. If you don't have the last term, don't lose the beat. Don't lose the beat. Use the long formula straight from the sheet. Straight from the sheet, Greek E. It just means to sum it up, it's plain to see. It's plain to see. The bottom is the start, the top is where it ends. Top is where it ends. Expand the first 3 terms, that's how the logic bends. How the logic bends. Position or the term, know what they demand. N is the position, teen is where you stand. Calculate N, first plus last, shortcut sum, sigma notation. Expand it out, add or subtract, find your position, solve for n, lock in the sum, use the formula, the arithmetic groove sharp.
Welcome to the Daily Dose of Math. But where are we? We're in the Daily Dose.
You're in the Daily Dose of Mathematics, sponsored by Fundaflow.
Oh, we're sponsored by, okay. I'm confused, guys. Welcome. We tried to show people how to sign up on Fundaflow. And then if you still want to see that, I think we will do a special video of how to sign up. And then today we're simply going to be using the features that are in the Fundaflow. We're doing sequence and series.
Sequence and series.
Okay. Grade 12s. We are going to be looking at sequence and series. Okay, can you just take us through some of the questions that we have?
Okay, so then we have 2.2, which is an arithmetic sequence series is given by 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 143.
143. Okay. First, let's show how your teachers can use this. No? If you have a question like this one and then you want to create a test similar to this one, so I want you to cut this part, make sure that I've signed up as a teacher. No?
Okay.
And then I'm a teacher in Hlalakahle. No? If you sign up as a learner of Hlalakahle, you should see the following task.
Okay, let's go put it on our Fundaflow.
Okay.
On the sponsored Daily Dose. Fundaflow sponsored yours.
Oh, thank you, Fundaflow.
Okay, now still loading. How do you feel about that? Fundaflow sponsors you.
I don't feel good. I don't like to be sponsored.
What about your own? Or should you do it as a lesson?
Sponsor myself.
A lesson plan or an AI thinking? Which one should you do it?
Oh no. What I wanted us to do is to create a test. Now, just be specific and say, how many marks is this one?
This one is
the one that we're doing without the sigma.
Without the sigma. Okay, it's 3 plus 2 is 5 marks. It's 5 marks.
It's 5 marks. So just create a test out of 5 marks and say, give me a similar question to this one. But I think you have the image. So we're going to put this one as a task so that learners can solve it all along, and then we show them how we do this one.
Okay, so then are we creating a quiz? It's a quiz thing, isn't it?
Yeah, let's create a test, but instead of a quiz.
A test?
Yeah, short test.
Short test?
Yeah.
How so? Oh, I'm not creating a multiple choice. We're creating a formal written test.
Where are you? You're in the teacher, ne?
Yeah, I'm in the teacher.
Yes, on the teacher.
There's a peer teaching coach,
Yeah.
there's a AI lesson plan architect,
Yeah.
and then there's a subject improvement planning,
Yeah.
and then there's AI test and quiz generator.
Yeah, I want the test, not the quiz.
Oh, you want a test?
Yeah, I want a short test.
Okay, it's grade 12 mathematics, and then I'm gonna upload an image. Is it possible for me to tell them to generate a question like this one?
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
You're underestimating Funda, comrade. You don't know what Funda can do. Hey, Funda. Funda
Okay.
can.
Funda Flow, the one that sponsors you. You already know everything about Funda that sponsors you.
I don't know.
You already know about Funda that sponsors you.
I know everything about you.
Okay.
Funda is me. I am Funda.
Okay, you are you, and then you sponsored yourself.
Yes.
Okay, it's 10. Say it's 5 marks, no?
Yes.
Okay, so let's generate it.
Guys, while we do that, let's also show them some of the features that we have for learners. No? We managed to.
It's already done. It's already done.
It's already done. Okay, let's check it.
Says given the following arithmetic sequence,
yeah,
which is 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus ... plus 161.
Okay, so we can publish this one. Okay, guys, if you are live with us, you can try to do the following. When you find time, it's going to be there. But it's only going to be there if you choose the school Salagase for now. You choose Miss Salagase.
I choose the Salagase. Sequence. Are you a teacher or are you a tutor? You're a tutor.
I'm a tutor.
Yeah,
it would be best. Yeah, if you make me to be a tutor, it's going to be best. So you just have to hire me as a tutor. So you don't have to. You can choose your own school, but just hire me as your tutor. You simply show them how to hire me.
Yep. 5 marks.
It's 5, no?
Yeah, it's 5 marks.
So you can see how capable is Funda.
Yeah, Funda is capable of a lot of things. Okay, so then I should sign up as a learner also.
Yeah, sign up as a learner.
Okay. You sign up as a learner. So should I take them over every day that how a learner signs up, or just because we did it on the other live?
You can speed run it, to say okay.
How do I speed run? I'm not familiar with YouTube.
No, you just go fast. You say okay, this is what we do. This is what we do.
Oh, I thought maybe.
Okay, we press sign up. We don't have an account.
Yeah, okay. So, we don't have an account.
Sign up, yeah.
Before, let me clear the caches first. So then we are gonna do the thing now. Start.
Okay, start.
Don't have an account, sign up. Then I'm gonna sign up as ITF Rahut, 2 million Rahut. I'm a learner. I'm doing grade 12. Class A. I love class A. Let me just use my home language as this one. Province, I'm around Pumalanga. And then district, I'm at Nkangala. Second, it's Limangini. Then school is Salagash.
And then remember, guys, you can't choose a school until you it's a cascading this thing. It works from district, second, then you can choose a school. If you go straight to school.
Okay. Let me confirm my password.
Sure.
Sign up. We're going to run me to do the thing.
To confirm.
To confirm.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go to our Gmails. Then we should confirm.
Yeah.
Now my Funda Flow is there for you guys. Check Funda Flow. And then I'll have to sign up. Confirm, Confirm at Funda Flow.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm confirming.
I'm waiting for you to finish.
Yeah, now my account is confirmed. I'm gonna log in.
Okay, log in.
Log in as ITF Rahut.
You are sure I'm a tutor, then?
Yeah, Ratut.
Okay.
Okay, now it says welcome back, preparing your workplace. Voila, now I'm logged in. You guys, you can use these features, like it says you can link to your parent, guardian, and then you can get 5 credits. Give 5 credits to get 5 credits.
Give they say giving is receiving.
Yeah.
There's a say. What does it say?
Giving is receiving. Can you tell us what it is?
Yeah, sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Yeah, you can share to friends, and then you're gonna get 5 credits. Also, they're gonna get 5 credits if they sign up.
Yeah, if they use your link, by the way, no? If you share them, you need to share this particular link, yeah?
Okay, so then we're gonna maths. I'm doing maths. We are doing maths.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna check the teacher assigned task. Oh, I have to hire you first, right?
Yeah, first hire.
I'll give you ratings, by the way.
You should rate me.
Yeah.
I'm a good teacher, you know. I'm a good tutor.
But how much shall I rate you?
Huh?
How much shall I rate you?
If there's 5, you should give me 6.
Okay, you should give you 6, okay? Yeah, here's the paper. It says National Senior Certificate, Grade 12 Mathematics, Question 2. Given the following arithmetic sequence.
Okay, guys, this is the one that you're going to be trying. If you sign up now, remember, we're giving you free credits. No? If you sign up, and then you can also share your link to your friends. When they sign up, they're also going to get 5 credits. They're also going to get 5 credits. Originally, everyone, when we start, we give you free 5 credits. No?
And then you can get the link in the comments.
Can you put it there?
Yeah.
You already did.
Yeah, just paste it. Check it in
And
the
then
comment.
we're also encouraging you to use our WhatsApp group. For grade 12, we have a group for WhatsApp. Did you check it today, Itim?
Okay, let me put it also.
Okay, we're going to start with our question it while we do all these things. Let's go to our smart notebook.
Are we doing the same question?
No, this one is the one that they're going to be doing. So we're just saying if you sign up and then you want to check if you really understood the one, so they can check this one. So it was also a marketing to say, show teachers that you can just paste an image and then it will give you a similar question. You know?
Yep.
So if you want to test, like if your learners are understanding what you are teaching.
Okay, so then let's go to a smart notebook. Here's our question.
Okay.
So when we read the question says, an arithmetic series is given by
Keyword.
7. Yeah.
Let's highlight it.
Okay, let's highlight our keyword.
Arithmetic.
My smart notebook was upside down. Okay, so let's highlight. It says an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence. Oh, series. Arithmetic series.
How do we know it's a series?
When it has 7 plus whatever.
We see the plus, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, a sequence is the one with dots, and then the series is just as plus. They say we are adding everything up here. No?
So it's given by 7
Yeah.
plus 11 plus 15 plus ... plus 143.
Okay, so it's
It's 7
7
plus 11
plus 11
plus 15
plus 15,
plus 143.
143.
Yeah.
Now, on top of 143, no? Just put with this is TN or it's L. It's TN, also known aka as the last term.
Or N.
Eh?
Or N.
No, L. Laleli.
Last term.
Yeah, it's the last term.
Okay.
So if you don't want to call it TN, the N term, you can call it the last term.
Okay. Yeah,
It's fine. Huh?
that's fine.
I just realized something. We also have to put this one, publish this one as a task so that when we submit, we have a place where we're going to submit.
Okay.
We can submit it as a practice work. It's fine. Huh?
Yeah, we can submit this as a practice work.
Okay. So they already told us it's arithmetic again. Now, what should learners remember about arithmetic? Arithmetic, we start doing it in earlier grades. No?
Yep.
Is the one that increases by the same number or decreases by the same number. No? Now, here's the formulas that we need to know about arithmetic. They are there in the information.
Yeah, it's
Tn,
N is equal to
A
plus open bracket 1
open bracket.
minus 1 n minus 1
n minus 1
is bracket
close
D.
bracket D. Okay. This one is for determining the general term. Again, for arithmetic, We have Sn in our information sheet.
Sn is equaling to
It's equaling to
n all over 3.
n all over 2.
Isn't it 3?
No, it's n all over 2.
I think I need to get the information sheet.
n over 2,
N all
open
over
bracket,
2, open bracket,
2a
2a
plus,
plus,
open bracket,
n
minus 1,
minus 1,
close bracket,
close bracket,
d.
d.
Yeah.
So
So the fraction of n all over 2 is supposed to multiply everything here, but usually it's the n on top that multiply everything here. So you should be careful how you put it.
Okay, so then do you still have the formula in your brain?
Do I still have the formula?
Yeah, like I can see you already called it. I'm checking in the formula sheet, it's correct.
It's correct.
So you are creaming the formula sheet now.
You mean my calculator?
Yeah, your calculator.
No, it has everything. This one. It has physics, it has maths, calculus. You can ask it anything. It has everything here.
Okay. So then, yeah, we have the formula. We have the formula for Tn, and then we have the formula for Sn.
So we have the formula for Tn and the formula for Sn. Again. Now, we go through our question. They already told us it's arithmetic.
Yeah.
So there's no need for us to prove that. If they didn't say anything, we prove it.
Yeah.
But here they just said it's an arithmetic. So we need to tell them that D for an arithmetic.
For arithmetic
is going to be given by T2 minus T1.
minus T1.
Okay. And then we check what is our term number 2.
Our term number 2 is 11 minus 7.
Minus 7. Let's hear it. Calculator.
Calculate 11 minus 7 is
Let's hear.
4.
Let's hear. Fast.
It's 4.
Oh, it's 4. Calculator is working. So we have 4. No?
Yeah,
so our common difference is what? It's 4.
It's 4.
Now, what does the question want us to get?
Says the question says determine the number of terms n in the series.
And they were being specific. They were being kind. Yeah. No?
Yeah.
So they told us what we should calculate n. So on our general formula, we are going to tell them what, but here's other things that we know. We know A. According to arithmetic, what is A?
A is 7.
Is the first term
Yeah.
of the pattern or the series. So in this case, it's what? It's 7. We just calculated D, not D. We just calculated D.
Yeah, calculated D.
Yeah. And then we got D. Even if we didn't calculate it, we're going to calculate it now.
Yeah.
So we say D is equaling to 4.
D is equaling to 4. Do you trust my calculators?
No, I trust you. Next, we have
to find T. We have to find the following.
we have to find N. Tn, as I told you before, we said Tn is the thing that we see there, and then I said we can also call it the L. You remember that?
Yeah.
Who's that person?
It's the formula. That person is the formula.
Tn is equaling to 143.
Tn is equaling to 143.
43. Yeah. Remember, we're calculating n here. No? We can either use the sum formula or we can use the Tn formula.
Okay.
But I already directed us to say we are given Tn in this pattern because we are given the first term and then they say it ends. It's a finite series, this one. It has a start, it also has a what?
An
It
end.
has an end. Now the end part is the Tn. Or is the last term.
Or is the last term?
Yeah.
LTD.
Yeah. So I already gave it away to say which formula are we going to use. Maybe we're supposed to start there to say which formula are we going to use so that we get an understanding. So we tell them what Tn is equaling to
Tn
A
is equaling to A
plus
plus n minus 1.
n minus 1
And
close
then
bracket to D.
And then we know A is 7.
We know Tn, let's start with Tn.
Okay. The Tn part. Tn
Yeah.
is 143.
It's 143
143
equals
is
to
equaling to 7 plus
plus
open bracket
open bracket
n minus 1
n minus 1
close bracket D.
D. D.
Yes. What's the next step from here?
You can ask chat.
Can ask chat. Chat. Next step.
Do we have anyone there?
Yeah, we have. We have 2 from YouTube. We have 2 from TikTok.
Okay.
And somebody, anybody. They're quiet.
Let's give them time. They're still typing.
Still typing.
Let's give them time. Okay. Let's check if we can't do it still. What is it that we're supposed to do it?
We shall find N.
Huh?
We shall find N.
We should find N. Yeah, but what is the next step here?
Oh, we isolate something. We isolate everything that is close to N.
No.
What?
I can see first have to remove the bracket. You see there's a bracket there.
Yeah.
So how do you remove that bracket?
Multiply D inside the bracket.
Okay, so we're going to say 4 multiplied by N. We still have 7. Actually.
Yeah.
143. Let's write it. 143.
143 is equal to 7
plus.
7 plus.
Misconception. Learners, they also multiply the 7. We don't multiply 7. I think it's not part of the brackets. So we have 4 multiplied by N. We get what?
4N.
4N. 4 multiplied by minus 1.
It's minus 4.
Minus 4. Sure.
Then from now we can add like terms from the right hand side. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4.
It's 3.
It's 3.
If I'm correct.
It's 3. It's 3. And then after that we're gonna isolate
No, let's do it step by step. So we have 143.
143
Yeah.
is equivalent to 4N
4N
plus 3.
plus 3. Transpose now, no?
Yeah.
We add 3 both sides.
Yeah, we can add, we subtract 3 both sides.
What does it say then? We subtract 3, yeah. Subtract 3.
Then we have 143.
140.
140 is equivalent to 4N.
Which is equal to 4N, yeah.
Then from there we can divide by 4 both sides.
Divide by 4. Calculate.
The calculator is not functioning when it comes to this one.
Okay. So we have N is equaling to...
I'm trying to do it.
Yeah, I can do it. So...
No, I can put it in the calculator while you are doing it.
35.
35. Are you sure?
Let me double check.
What?
20. It's 35.
It's 35.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's check the calculator.
The answer is 35.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so then now we're moving to the next question.
Yes.
Next question says we should calculate the sum of the series.
So we should just calculate the sum of the series, no?
Yeah.
Now, if they really wanted to be tricky on the final exam, no? They were going to go straight to that question. It was going to be the first question.
Yeah.
And then learners were supposed to figure out that we need N first. But this one was a good examiner because first they asked us to calculate N, no?
Yeah.
And then after that, they ask us to calculate the sum. If they really want to be tricky, let's say they wanted to be a hard question, they were simply going to say, calculate the sum. Give me this series, and then just say, calculate the sum.
Yeah.
Now, we have the sum formula, which I'm not going to use for this particular case. There's one which is not in the information sheet, but we should get familiar with. It says Sn.
Sn
is going to be equivalent to N all over 2.
N all over 2.
Open bracket. A.
No, I missed it. This time it counts.
No, it didn't. It's A plus L.
Plus L. Oh, it's this one.
Yeah, this one is not available in our information sheet, but it works if we know the first term and the last term.
Okay.
Yeah, so if we know the first term and the last term, we should use it.
Okay.
Why do I know this formula? I once did a research on this guy who came up with this formula, Calcas. So he was busy giving his teacher trouble, and then they gave him a problem. The teacher was like, Calcas, go and add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up until you get 100. Yeah, but
I cannot remember the story.
you remember
Yeah,
when I was
remember the
still
story.
teaching you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I always remember this one because I made a research about this guy. And then he was still young, like he was still very young. So you can check it, guys. I'm not sure about how old was he, but I'm sure he was about 3 years old.
Calgas.
Yeah, it's calcium.
Somewhere Einstein, group of Einsteins.
Yeah, it's somewhere there. Somewhere there.
Somewhere, it's not there.
I wouldn't say he's not there, but because Einstein was everywhere. I wouldn't rate him as Einstein, yeah.
Okay.
So we know the first term, we know the last term, okay?
Yeah.
We know n. So this one is going to be simple. Let's just do the good practices that our senior marker gave us. He said every time when you're given a formula, just collect the data. So we'll tell them with A. I know we've defined the formula now.
Yeah.
Let's tell them what is A.
A is equal to 7.
7. What is n?
N is equal to 35.
35. What is Tn? This thing, if you don't want to say it's, you don't want to call it L, you can call it Tn. So I'm going to call it L, and then say what is the last term?
The last term is 143.
143. Sure. Now we can go and substitute. I think we've defined our parameters. S instead of n, what are we going to put now?
S of 35.
So we're going to put 35 is equivalent to
35 all over 2. Open the formula of Calgas. A is 7 plus 143.
So it's 7 plus 143. Okay. 7 plus 140 gives us 115. So now we have an issue here, which is 135. It's going to be 17.5 multiplied by 150. Yeah, it's going to be tricky, this one.
You are not doing it in the calculator.
I can do it. But
When I try this at home,
no, I can do it. It's just which I decide not to do it. Like,
decided not to do it.
yeah, but I can do it. Just believe me.
Okay, so now our S
1,000.
S of 35 is equal to, are you saying 1,000?
No, not 1,000. It's 1,700 and... Okay, but do it. It's fine. Let me give you an opportunity. Let me not do everything here.
It's 2,635. It's 2,635. When your calculator is right, maybe I'm the one whose calculator is not right. Maybe mine is malfunctioning. So it's 35 all over 2 open bracket.
No, it's possible. It's possible because actually, what we're going to say is that I was trying to say, actually, we have 35 all over 2, which gives me something like 17.5.
Yeah.
So on 17.5, I broke it up. I said I have 7.5 and then I have 10. So if I say 10 multiplied by 1/5, it's going to give me 1,500. Now I'm still struggling with the 7.5 because I'm supposed to say 7.5 multiplied by 1/5, which is, yeah, it gave me that's error. That's it.
Syntax error. Okay, yeah, that was the second question, which is 2.2. We have 2.2.3, or do we put this ones on our...
Yeah, let's go and put this one on our practice. Guys, if you're practicing at home, remember, why was the Funda Flow created? It's there to help you if you are stuck, you are alone at home. You want to check if you are doing the right thing. And then you did a test. You want to check if you are going in the right direction. As we prepare for examination, this is going to help you. So you can put it as a practice work, or you can put it as a formal task, like if you have a task that was sent by your teacher or your tutor. So this one is practice.
Yes, practice.
Yeah, we're going to be dancing while we do that.
La la la, we checking the pattern today. Pattern today. Is it adding or subtracting exactly the same way? Exactly the same way. That's the first difference. Constant and clear. Constant and clear. Arithmetic sequence, let's conquer the fear. Conquer the fear. Moving term to term, the jump is always pure. The jump is always pure. If they give you the last term, don't be insecure, but listen. listen to me closely. Don't fall in the trap. Don't fall in the trap. The last term is not in, put that on the map. Put it on the map. The last term is T and Faka Paka T and C. TN is the key. Substitute and solve for N. Find the real degree. Find the real degree. Now let's calculate the sum, bringing it all together. Bringing it all together. Got the first and the last, make it light as a feather. Light as a feather. Take the first plus the last, divided by 2. Divided by 2. Then multiply by n, that's the shortcut for you. S and n, fraction 2l. If you don't have the last term, don't lose the beat. Don't lose the beat. Use the long formula straight from the sheet. Straight from the sheet. What if they bring the sigma, the big Greek E? The big Greek E. It just means to sum it up, it's plain to see. It's plain to see. The bottom is the start, the top is where it ends. Top is where it ends. Expand the first 3 terms, that's how the logic bends. How the logic bends. Position or the term, know what they demand. N is the position, teen is where you stand. Teen is where you stand. First difference, cons term.
Excellent work,
Cons term.
iTunes. Question 2.2.1. You correctly identified the first term, a equals 7, and the common difference, d equals 4. You then correctly set up the general term formula Tn equals a plus, n, 1, d, substituted Tn equals 143, and solved accurately to find n equals 35. Question 2.2.2. You chose the most efficient sum formula Sn equals n/2, a plus l for a series where the last term is known. Your substitution and arithmetic were completely correct, giving S35 equals 2625. Keep up this high standard of structured mathematical reasoning.
Okay, guys, as you had, Itu nailed it. Let's give Itu a round of applause, guys. Chat, you can just try the same question that we gave you, the one that is on the task under the daily dose of mathematics. If you try it, it's also going to grade you instantly, and then it will tell you where you are lacking. And then the good news is that if you're on the chat, we spoke about this. If you're on chat, and then for this month here, if you hire the daily dose, it's going to be for free, guys. So you can submit. If you submit, once you submit, I will be able to see that where are you struggling, and then next time when I do my lesson, I will structure it such that we address all those different issues there. Or the other thing that I can also do is just to send you a question that is going to address the misconception that you have, or I can give you a lesson that is going to address those things. We're moving on, Itu.
Yep.
What's next?
So I'm going to move to the second question.
Yeah. Which is Sigma song. Sigma song.
This is a Sigma song.
Play the Sigma song. Play the Sigma song. Let's get into the groove.
Okay,
This is a Sigma song.
let's enjoy the Sigma song. Should we are playing the Sigma song first?
No, let's just play a brief of it. Like, I like that song. Like, it was one of my first produced. That's when I knew I can be Kabza the daily dose.
Kabza the daily dose, sponsored by Funda Flow.
Yeah.
This is a Sigma song. Sigma song. When we see the big E, we are not scared. We are not scared. Asasabi, we expand, we expand. We check the number at the bottom. We substitute it to get T1, T2. Bonale Sigma.
Alright. I like it. Let's go. Sigma song. Sigma song.
So the second question says you should evaluate a sigma of 20, by which down there it's k is equal to 1. And then the equation is 4k plus 3.
So it starts at k is equal to 1. Yeah.
And then it ends at k is equal to 20.
Is it 20 or 120?
It's 20.
I remember it's saying 120. Yes. Okay. 20. Open bracket.
Open bracket 4k plus 3.
4k plus 3. Okay. What does the sigma song say? Itu?
We are not scared.
We are not scared. If you see the big E.
If you see the big E, you are not scared.
Okay. So what should we do?
Is it a E or is it a W upside down, sideways down, upside down? Because I think it's like an M upside down or a W upside down.
Yeah.
W sigma. Okay. So now you can evaluate. How do you evaluate on this one?
Yeah, what does the sigma song say? I was asking that, man.
Oh, the sigma song.
Says when we see the big E,
I remember
we are
this.
not scared.
Yeah,
We are not scared.
we sigma. That's what I remember. When you see the big
Okay,
E.
let's check the lower bound, the value at the bottom. We're going to take that value and substitute it.
Okay. So now we're gonna have
For k is equal to 1. So we'll start when for k equal 1.
yeah.
So instead of putting k, you're going to put 1.
We will have 4
4,
open bracket 1
1
plus 3
plus 3.
close bracket.
4 multiplied by 1 is 4.
4 multiplied by 1 it's 4 plus 3 it's 7.
7. Okay. Then the next one is for, oh, you can just tell k is equaling to 2. Now this is for k equaling to
2. Okay. Okay, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11.
Okay, it's similar to that one.
Yeah, similar to that one that we have at the
So
top.
7 plus
Then after we have
15.
4 multiplied by 3 plus 3, by which is 15.
Okay.
And then after we have dot 220.
Yeah.
We have 4 multiplied by 20 plus 3. What is 4 multiplied by 20?
4 multiplied by 20, it's 80.
80 plus 3, it's 83.
83, yeah.
So now our last term here is 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Somehow they made it a little bit different.
We were stopping. Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, they just gave us the last term, the different last term. Okay, after you've expanded it, we are supposed to check what kind of a pattern it is. If we didn't know, like what if we follow the steps correctly. So the next thing that we're going to do is just to check what kind of a pattern it is. So how do you check? You can check the first difference again.
Yeah.
If the first difference is not that one, you check constant ratio.
Yeah.
Most of the time when it's a sigma, it can be kind of what is this one? Quadratic.
Quadratic.
Yeah, it can be, but it should be short, like it's going to be k is 1 up until k is 7, which is something that you can add because we don't have a sum for quadratic. We can add them one by one. We don't have like Sn is equaling to the one for quadratic. We have Sn for quadratic, or we have Sn for arithmetic and geometric.
And we have Mufasa.
Oh, we have Mufasa.
Mufasa.
Welcome, Mufasa.
Yeah, well, welcome.
Mufasa, can you tell us why Mufasa then? Because I asked if he said it doesn't know.
Maybe you can tell us in the comment. Mufasa. I think Mufasa is it's a king, isn't it?
I don't know. I know Lion King. Lion King, what is it? Mufasa?
Yeah, the first king was Mufasa.
No, was it?
Yeah, the first king was Mufasa. The father of Simba.
Oh,
Simba.
all right.
Mufasa.
Right, okay, we figured it out. We've cracked it.
Yeah.
We're able to crack the
Thanks for liking the live, Mufasa. Simba, Mufasa, Simba.
Okay.
Okay.
That makes sense. Yeah. All right. So we have first term.
Yeah.
We have the second term, and then we decided with this one is arithmetic because we know from above.
Yep.
So we're not going to check it again. Now that we know what kind of a pattern it is, then we are going to decide on the sum formula that we're going to use. So you can go to an information sheet and just choose the correct one.
Yeah.
So which one are we going to use?
Sn is equivalent to n all over 2 open bracket.
N is going to be equivalent to n all over 2.
Sn is equivalent to n all over 2
Open bracket.
open bracket.
Yeah.
2a
2a plus
open bracket n,
N
minus 1
close
bracket t. And then Mufasa said something.
what did he say?
He said,
we are wrong.
it's all because my surname is Simba.
Oh.
Zimba. Rolls with flavor. So show Mr. Mufasa. Now I get it.
So we have first term.
Yeah.
We also have the last term. So calculus. It makes sense to
We can use calculus in here.
yeah, we can use calculus. How do we know what is the first term?
And I was using the long SN thingy.
Yeah, we can do it because we've already used calculus there, but because this one is given in the information sheet, I would encourage learners to use this one, because you see, one thing that I've seen with calculus is this. I get the learners they can see with this one has 2a.
Yeah.
They automatically assume that once we are going to use calculus, it says Sn is going to be n all over 2, open bracket. Then they say 2a plus the last term. Because you see, and it makes sense for a learner to think about it, because they think, okay, but it's 2a here, it's always supposed to be 2a here. What they don't realize is this, here, what we've done is this. We said n all over 2. And then we said the first term, I get it's a, this one.
Yeah.
And then we said, what is the last term? Last term, the formula of a last term, it's a plus, open bracket, n minus 1.
So you're manipulating the formula.
Yeah, basically we're manipulating the formula. Yes. That is why instead of writing the last term, but we can write it as a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d.
Yeah.
That is why if you say a and a, you can see what they're going to give you what? 2a.
Okay.
That is why when you use that formula, the one on the information sheet, it still comes from there. As long as the learner knows what is the last term, they are not going to make that misconception.
Okay.
But to avoid misconceptions, let's stick to the right thing. We're going to say, now we know the formula that we're going to use. A. Collect our date. What is A?
A7.
7. Okay. What is N?
N. Our N is 20.
It's 20. What is our D?
Our D is
Term number 2 minus term number 1. If you don't remember it, you can simply do
4.
it. I should say 11 minus 4. 11 minus 7. Just put it to 4. Okay. What else do we still need on our formula?
And then it's right there on the formula thing. It shows what the difference is for.
It shows what the difference is for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember how does Balkin the thing say how does an arithmetic formula slide? How does an arithmetic formula look like? Looks like that. It's like Tn is equaling to a.
Or with they already gave us actually on a sigma notation we have the Tn n term, the simplified version of the Tn. So from here onwards we can substitute.
Yeah, we have S of 20.
S of 20
is equivalent to 20 all over 2.
Open bracket.
Open the bracket.
Yeah.
2. And then our A is 7.
7.
Plus. N is 20.
20.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Close the bracket, and then our D is 4.
It's 4. Close bracket. Okay.
You just calculating this one?
If it was calculus, I was going to do it, but this one, but I can still do it if you want me. But you can also try to do it on the calculator. Just share how do they do it on the calculator, and then I will show you. I will prove you.
Okay.
On my calculator to say no, you did it right, or you didn't do it right.
I'm pretty sure I'll be doing it right. Okay, here's our calculator. So then I'm gonna have a fraction of 20
90.
all over 2. Open a bracket.
The answer is
2 multiplied by 7 plus open bracket 20 minus 1 close the bracket 4 close the bracket. What is your answer?
10 multiplied by 90.
Then mine says syntax error. Mine says syntax error.
Okay, so we have 10 multiplied by 90. It's 900. The correct answer.
Mine says syntax error.
What happened? Try to check where did you go wrong. I think you're supposed to say, and you're supposed to put it in a fraction, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, you say fraction, and then you say 20 all over 2. Then you open the bracket. The bracket is not part of the fraction.
Yeah.
So you open a bracket. and then you say 2 multiply. In fact, the simplest way is to open a bracket, and then you say 2 multiplied by a, which is 7, and then you close the bracket.
Yeah, I've realized why it says syntax error.
It says
You
what?
can't put the D at the end on your bargain, on your formula thing. You have to put it in front,
The what?
like the D. I can't remember on the equation it says like n minus 1 close bracket D.
Okay.
But then the D is supposed to be in front here.
But if you say multiply, it will work. If you just say multiply,
Yeah,
when
if you
I
say multiply it will work. Yeah, if you say multiply it will work. And what did you say your S20 was?
900.
900. Okay, yeah, the S20 is 900 for you. Yeah, the calculator is back now.
Sigma sum.
Oh, it's the sigma sum that brings back the calculator. Okay, the S20 is equivalent to 900.
Okay.
Oh, that's a feeling of therefore. That's a feeling of therefore.
Oh, therefore.
Therefore, S20 is equivalent to 900. A feeling of a therefore.
I think it was 2 marks this thing. How many marks?
It was 3 marks.
3 marks. So we're putting it where this one? Practice.
I can put it as a practice. And then the one that we'll use as a assignment is that one that you place there. I can just write it also.
You want to solve that one also?
No, I'll be like, I can write it and then we can put it on our, not today, tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Let's play our sigma sum and then put it on our practice work.
This is a Sigma song. Sigma song. When we see the big E, we are not scared. We are not scared. Asisabi, we expand, we expand. We check the number at the bottom. We substitute it to get T1, T2. Bonale Sigma. Woo! Unga Jahi. Just expand. Just expand. Is it a plus? Is it a times? Is it a times? Lola pattern. Read the signs. I difference kumbe iregio. Tola ua, tola ua.
Excellent work,
Let's go.
Itumlen. You have accurately evaluated the arithmetic series given in Sigma notation. Key strengths in your work 1. Expansion. You correctly generated the first few terms, 7, 11, 15, and identified the last term, 83.2. Values identified. You correctly stated the first term, a equals 7, constant difference, d equals 4, and number of terms, n equals 20.3. Substitution and calculation. You substituted these values accurately into the arithmetic sum formula Sn equals n/2, 2a plus n, 1, d to arrive at the correct final answer of S20 equals 900. Keep maintaining this neat and logical step-by-step approach in your exams.
It is killing it, guys. Let's give it a round of applause, guys. Let's give him some flowers there. Chat, give him some flowers there. It is killing it.
So this was our last question.
Let's do the one. Do we have the one of? What is the other one? The one of sigma. After sigma, there was sum to infinity or something like that.
After sigma?
Yes. You didn't check the other one.
Oh, there's 2.3 after that.
Okay, what is 2.3?
2.3 is those ones are calculating the common ratio, calculate the value of T5.
Okay, yeah. What I wanted us to do is to show chat, because remember what I'm trying to show chat here is that they don't need us basically. So we're trying to encourage them to use the app so that they can learn on their own. At the same time, if they really feel which they need a human touch, then that's when they will call us. So I want you to take that question, the one that of 2.3.
The whole 2.3.
Yeah, it's 2.1, it's 2.3.1, or just 2.3.
2.3.1, 2.3.2, 2.3.3.
Yeah, you can take the whole of it. What is 2.3.1? Let me check. 2.3.1.
2.3.1, we are calculating the common ratio.
Okay, 2.3.2.
2.3.2, we are calculating the value of T5.
Okay, 2.2.
3.3, we explain why the geometric series does not converge.
Does not converge. Yeah. Okay. Let's say, again, guys, you know, like maths can be a little bit tricky. By the way, guys, this app is not only for mathematics. Originally, when we started, it was supposed to be for maths. That is why you see most of the things. Sometimes they will say maths, but we are trying to fix them because it covers almost all the subjects that are in high school. Okay. So we're going to get a lesson for this thing. Remember, as a learner, if you are struggling, you want to understand this thing. The nicest thing about Funda Flow is that it will never give you answers. So we're going to go to our mini lesson and then just give him this image and check so that learners can see what you can still get a lesson. Like it will be proper, explain to you how does it work, and then give you examples, and then from there onwards, it will also just give you activities that you can do if it's a lesson. So let's go and check there.
Okay, we're gonna put it under mini lesson play.
Yeah, let's put it under. Oh, scaffolding doesn't matter, but let's put it under mini lesson. Scaffolding, it explains what itself. What does it do?
Yeah, and remember we have new updates, but then normally you'll find out scaffolding on the first page, because they supposed to submit work, who is me, referred, and my progress.
Okay.
So then all of them you'll find them on your first page. So then we're gonna update them, upload them, come scaffolding. Then we're gonna hear what scaffolding is gonna tell us after that.
So which one are you using now? Let's use mini lesson.
Or using mini lesson?
Yeah, let's
we're using scaffolding
now. Let's use mini lesson.
Okay.
I want the learners to be taught, which basically how does this thing work, basically.
Okay, but then they can also use scaffolding for an example.
Yeah, scaffolding is just going to give him a similar example. So here I'm saying, let's say, remember, Mr. Shoga has taught you again. He has already taught you when you didn't understand anything, you were in class. Like if you were just like Itumele, which you were just there in class, like which you pretended to be listening, like you were busy noting when I was saying, and then now you want to get the lesson again. So you can get it on Funda Flow.
Yep.
And then they will give you the proper lesson.
I know myself, I was very critical when it comes to loading while I know that I don't hear anything.
Welcome to your math mini lesson. Below, we will break down the essential rules of geometric series and walk through a similar example together. Part 1, Core Theory and Formulas. A geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous term by a fixed, non-zero number called the common ratio, R. One formula for the nth term, Tn. Tn equals ARN, 1. Where A, or T1, is the first term. R is the common ratio, R equals T2/T1. N is the term position number. 2 formula for sum to infinity, S infinity. S infinity equals A/1, R. This formula gives the total sum of an infinitely long geometric sequence. 3 condition for convergence. A geometric series is called convergent. It approaches a fixed total sum as you add infinitely many terms, if and only if -1 R1, or R1. If R greater than or equal to 1 or R less than or equal to -1, the terms do not shrink toward 0, so the sum grows without bound, it diverges/does not converge. Part 2, Mirror Example Walkthrough. Problem Statement. A convergent geometric series has a first term T1 equals 15 and a sum to infinity S infinity equals 20. Step 1, calculate the common ratio, R. We use the sum to infinity formula, S infinity equals A/1, R. Substitute A equals 15 and S infinity equals 20. 20 equals 15 slash 1 r. Multiply both sides by 1 r. 20 1 r equals 15. Divide by 20. 1 r equals 15 slash 20. 1 r equals 3 slash 4. Solve for r. R equals 1 to 3 slash 4. R equals 1 slash 4, or 0.25. Step 2, calculate the value of T4. Use the term formula, Tn equals ARN, 1. Substitute A equals 15, R equals 1 slash 4, and N equals 4. T4 equals 15, 1 slash 4, 4, 1. T4 equals 15, 1 slash 4, 3. T4 equals 15, 1 slash 64. T4 equals 15 slash 64. Step 3, explain why the geometric series 15 plus 45 plus 135 plus does not converge. First, find the common ratio R for this new series. R equals 45 slash 15 equals 3. Explanation. For a geometric series to converge, the common ratio must satisfy minus 1 R1. Here, R equals 3, which is greater than 1, R1. Therefore, the series diverges, does not converge. Part 3, try it yourself. Now apply these exact steps to your original problem. 1. Use S infinity equals 36 and A equals 12 in the formula S infinity equals A slash 1, R, to solve for R. 2. Once you have R, plug N equals 5, A equals 12, and your R value into Tn equals ARN, 1 to find T5. 3. Calculate the ratio R equals 24 slash 12 for the series 12 plus 24 plus 48 plus, and compare it to the convergence rule, minus 1 R1. Give it a shot. What do you get for R in part 2.3.1?
Okay guys, as you can see here, they gave us a lesson. So if you missed the lesson in class, you can still get the mini lesson then. And the best way to use it is not to give it many topics at once. If you want to get a proper explanation, just give it one thing, and then it will be able to explain it to its best of its ability. The other feature that I wanted you to show them, it is that it can translate. Did you show them that?
The translation part?
Yeah, what it can translate to any language.
I think mine is translated to Tsonga. Mine is Tsonga.
It still remembers you as Tom, even now.
Tsonga inen.
It doesn't ask you.
Nope.
Okay.
Doesn't. Still remembers me as a Tsonga person.
Okay, we should fix that. Which it should interchange, guys. Remember, sometimes I just want to be a white person. Like I want you to translate it in Afrikaans.
Afrikaans? Yo, I don't even know how to read Afrikaans.
Yeah, but like just which sometimes I just want to feel white.
Maybe I can do the one in Japanese with you.
Okay, so you can translate it translated. Okay, just remember, guys, if you didn't understand in the language of George, it's not our mother tongue. Remember, you can just take it to your home, to your mother tongue, and then just try to figure it out. How does it work? Okay, we are done.
Yeah, we're done for today.
Sure.
See a bonga for pulling through the lesson. Hope you caught that daily dose.